In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Outlook calendar private. If you want to block time on your calendar without sharing the details, Outlook makes it easy. Start by opening Outlook either on your desktop or in a browser, and switch to your calendar. You can make a brand new event private, or you can update something that's already on your calendar. To do that, double-click the event to open the full editor. On desktop, that opens a window on the web, it expands into a full details pane. Inside the event, look for the private option. It's usually represented by a small lock icon. On Outlook for desktop, you'll find it on the ribbon in the Appointment or Meeting tab. On Outlook for the web, click More Options. If you don't see it right away, the lock setting is there. Click the lock to mark the event as private. You'll know it worked when the lock turns on or you see a private label applied to the meeting. If you change your mind, you can click it again to turn it off. Now save your changes. On desktop, choose Save Close for an appointment or Send Update if it's a meeting with attendees. On the web, click Save or Update. That's all you need to do. Here's what happens behind the scenes. When an event is marked private, people who can view your calendar won't see the subject, the location, the notes, or any attachments. Instead, they'll just see the time block as busy, or a simple private label depending on your organization's settings. If you invited attendees, those attendees still get the full details, just like any normal meeting, and they can respond as usual. The privacy applies to everyone else who has access to your calendar but isn't part of the event. A few tips to keep in mind. This works for one-time events and for recurring series. If you're updating a recurring meeting, make sure you open the entire series if you want all future occurrences to be private, not just a single instance. If you use a delegate or share your calendar with a colleague, private items remain hidden from them unless you've specifically allowed viewing of private items in your permissions. Also, organizations may grant certain administrators or compliance roles the ability to view private content, so avoid putting highly sensitive information in the event body. Finally, some shared or resource calendars may not allow the private option depending on permissions. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.